Welcome to this PowerPoint tutorial. In this video, you will learn to improve your PowerPoint presentation skills by making an engaging PPT presentation with the Morph transition. This tutorial will guide you through PowerPoint tricks that will help you share interesting facts about the Eiffel Tower with smooth PPT Morph transitions and eye-catching animations. Whether you are looking for new PowerPoint ideas or simply want to learn the Morph transition in PowerPoint, this tutorial has everything you need to make an impressive presentation. Let's start the PowerPoint tutorial. First and foremost, let's change the background of the slide. Right click and choose Format Background. I'm taking this light gray as background color and click on Apply to All. Now insert a rectangle from Shapes. Change its height to 3.5 cm and width to 30 cm. Change Shape Fill Color to white and choose No Shape Outline. Now rotate the rectangle using rotation handle and place it at the lower corner of the slide. Now to add shadow effect to the rectangle, right click on the rectangle and choose Format Shape. Then go to Effects option, select this Offset Top Left shadow and change the shadow color to black. Now change transparency 30%, size 103%, blur 15 points, angle 225 degree, distance 3 points. Now duplicate the rectangle total 3 times while pressing and holding down the control button and drag with mouse. Change the color of second and third rectangle as per your choice. I'm taking orange and red color. Now let's add title to the first slide. For that, insert a text box. Choose Arial Black as font type, 80 as font size, and white as font color, and give New Viewer as slide heading. Duplicate the text box by holding down Ctrl plus Shift and dragging with mouse. Change the font type to Edwardian Script ITC and font color orange. Give Eiffel Tower as subheading. Place both the titles properly and in the middle of the slide. This way, our first slide is complete, and duplicate it by selecting the first slide in side thumbnail and pressing Ctrl plus D. In the second slide, place both the text boxes outside the slide. Now insert the picture of Eiffel Tower from stock images. To extract only the Eiffel Tower from the picture, click on Remove Background under Picture Format tab. Use Mark Areas to keep the area that we want. Simply draw a line on the area that we want to keep. In the same way, use Mark Areas to remove the area which is not required. For that, draw a line on the area that we don't want. Do these steps few more times to reach at the desired result. And then click on Keep Changes. Also crop the image only up to the required portion. I have already done these steps. I am directly pasting the final image. Now to give depth and 3D look to the image, let's add shadow effect to the image. Select the image, right click and choose Format Picture. Choose Offset Top Right Shadow Effect. Black shadow color. Now change transparency 10%, size 103%, blur 10 points, angle 0 degree, distance 5 points. Change the height of the rectangles to 5 cm and place them little apart. Now let's add relevant content to the second slide. I am directly pasting the content related to our Eiffel Tower. I have taken Arial Black, Edwardian, and Gullim as font type for the text. These pictures have been inserted from stock images under Insert tab and have been resized with added shadow effect as explained earlier. This way our second slide is completed. Now select this content and Eiffel Tower and paste it into the first slide so that when Morph transition is applied, this appears smoothly. Place these texts outside the slide with little distance apart so that these appear one by one during transition. Now go to second slide and then go to Transitions tab and apply Morph transition. Let's check the preview. Now duplicate the second slide by Ctrl+D. Place the content outside the slide area with little distance apart. Move the rectangles little outside and do few more small changes like this. Now insert a circle. Change its size to 23 cm each for height and width. Select No Fill Color and choose orange color for the outline. I am taking 4.5 point as outline thickness. Now again insert a small circle for the heading points. Change the circle color to white with no shape outline. Now let's insert icons according to the facts about Eiffel Tower. Resize the icon and place it over the circle. Select both the circle and icon. Group them together by Ctrl+G. In the same way, add more circles with the relevant icons. I am directly pasting them after resizing. Before proceeding further, select all the small circles and the bigger circle outline and group them together by Ctrl+G. I have already done that. Now select it and send to back. Now add some facts about the Eiffel Tower. I am directly pasting the facts near to our icons. This way our third slide is ready. Now select all the facts with the circle, press Ctrl+C to copy them and paste them into the second slide. Now move them outside the slide for smooth entrance effect while applying Morph transition. Rotate the circle a bit to give cool rotating effect. Now let's check the preview of third slide if everything is correct or not. So everything is fine. Now let's make another slide for adding few more facts about the Eiffel Tower. For that, duplicate the third slide and do some changes like this. Now rotate the circle. Near to the icons, add the other facts about the Eiffel Tower. I am directly pasting them. Add the same content in the third slide and put it outside the slide working area for smooth transitioning. Let's check the preview for the fourth slide. Everything is fine. This way all the slides are completed. Now let's check the final preview of all the slides in slideshow. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found this video useful, please do like, subscribe and share it. I put in a lot of hard work to bring you this content, so your support would mean a lot. Stay tuned for more tutorials like this and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.